Did you know there was a time when asking why was dangerous on yet? It changed everything. The story begins in medieval Europe. When most knowledge was controlled by religious and royal institutions, the earth was still, the heavens were fixed, and truth came from authority, not evidence. To question was not curiosity, it was heresy. But in the 16th and 17th centuries, a quiet shift began. In Poland, a church astronomer named Nicolaus Copernicus proposed something radical. What if the earth wasn't the center of the universe? What if the planets, including us, revolved around the sun? He waited until the end of his life to publish his work, afraid of the backlash. Then came Galileo Galilei in Italy, who built a telescope and saw moons orbiting Jupiter, proof that not everything revolved around Earth. He shared what he saw. He was summoned by the Inquisition, and though he was forced to recant, he whispered, and yet it moves. In England, Isaac Newton watched an apple fall and asked why. From that question came his laws of motion and gravity, unifying the heavens and earth under the same principles. These thinkers weren't trying to destroy belief. They were trying to understand how the world worked, not just why it was. And they weren't alone. In Germany, Kepler mapped the movement of planets. In France, Descartes asked what we could truly know. Across Europe, printing presses spread ideas faster than they could be burned. This was the scientific revolution, a time when observation replaced obedience, when doubt led to discovery, and when asking questions was no longer feared but honored. It didn't end war or suffering, but it gave us medicine, physics, and the seeds of every modern invention. Because once humanity learned to ask what if, we never stopped.